Touchdown! Nandito na po kami sa Okada, Manila. It's my first time here, guys. Thank you so much, Ate Sue. Ayan, oh. Look. Wow! Ang ganda ng design. Ayan, oh. Wow! O, diba? Tapos dito, pagpasok nyo, ayan, dyan, yung mga naka-reserve. And then, ito yung kanilang lobby lounge. Ayun, lobby lounge. And ito yung kanilang casino. Tara, tingnan natin. Ayan si Daddy, oh. Wow. Wow. 14,378 yung price.
14 million, jackpot.
Sorry, 14 million pala siya. Look at that, ang ganda sa loob ng casino. Wow. Galing. Wow. Yeah, tingnan natin yung room natin. Let's go. Wow, look at that.
Tingnan muna natin yung room.
Yes, tingnan muna namin yung room namin, guys. Hello. Hi. Naka-video yan. Ito kayo.
Video yan. Kaya
We're together when we went to breakfast and we were locked out. And she was so bad she was going to shit her pants.
Oh, sige, tuloy-tuloy.
Sally itong floor.
Oh, Daddy. Hello. Let's go.
Ito pala, yung harap.
Harap.
Oo.
Ito?
Ay, ano, puti.
Alin?
Yung puti. Ay, ano, inano mo? Yung red.
Ang harap.
Ito, red. Ito.
Social. Look at that. 8th floor. Ang ganda. Grabe. Are you ready? Room tour. Ito na. Let's have some room tour.
Okay mo. Complete mo kami. Sige na.
Si mother ang ipa-open.
Mommy, do the honor.
Wow. Yung, yan. Yung color white.
Go. Wow.
Laki ng mga room.
Tingin. Wow.
May big deal yan.
Wow. Look at that. Wow, may office pa, oh, pang office. Laki.
Laki naman ang room.
Kaya nga. Wow. May lounge pa, tapos pagpasok mo dito, wow. Bed na dalawa. Wow. Tapos may couch pa.
May food, pero ay may ano.
Wow. Tingnan mo. Wow.
Ano yung jacuzzi?
May sariling jacuzzi. Wow. 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 Ito yung shower area. Wow. Ang ganda. Also that one.
Grabe.
Wow. Ay. Automatic. O doon sa kabila, ano meron?
Saan mo sasaratin?
Oh, nice. Nice.
Look, my name is in the computer.
Really? Wow. Cute. Oh, may timbangan. Wow. Oh, may bathroom.
may bathroom pa.
Wow! Look!
Ano yan?
Ay, sa una ba?
Hindi, pwede ka mag-massage. Pa-massage.
Nag-book daw ang aking sumang-massage.
Wow! Oh, may sarili kang massage room. Ha? Diyan pa pala, Mami. Ha? Ha?
Nagbukasyon siya.
Patingin, CR din siya. Oh, cute! Galing! Wow! A warm welcome to Okada, Manila, Miss Bertasuela. Wow, ganda. Ayan, oh. Wow, it's truly a pleasure. Wow. Oh, cute. Thank you.
Well, we will enjoy the whole day. Kasi
Wow! Welcome to Okada, Manila. Look. Yan yung entrance. Tapos, look at that. Wow!
Nasa Pearl, ano tayo?
Pearl Wing. Look at the details. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-lounge nila. Living room area. That's very minimalist lang yung design. Ayan. May lamp dito. Look at that. Yan. Relaxing lang muna si Daddy. Thank you kay Ate Sue. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung mga cabinet, no? Kung ano yung laman. Hindi pa siya na-open. Sorry. Ito, meron silang mini bar dito. Tadaan! Ayan. Look at that. And here, private bar. Let's open the private bar. Ooh, see, may wine, may drinks, may water. Yan, ganda. Also, ano naman to? Yan, wala na to. And, after ng living room, yan, 2 beds, may couch, and, tada! Oh, cutie! Ha! May Ferrero! Arr! Ayan. Ah, diba? Mag-iikot daw muna kami. So, ito yung loob ng 8th floor. And so, let's go! Mag-iikot kami. Let's go down. So, you have to tap your card para makapunta ka sa floor na gusto mong puntahan. So, ilan ang floors nila? Oh, 19 floors. Pero per floors, ang daming rooms. Wow.
May flowers. So, may carpet.
Puro shops dito, guys. Woo! Ganda.
sa front desk, mamaya.
Show Malone. Picture taking daw muna. Let's go! Oh. Wow, grabe. Look at that. Ate Su, sa Panda na lang tayo masarap mamaya. Eto, kainan section na to. So, from signature brands, dito naman is mga kainan section. Grabe, para kang nasa ibang bansa. Para kang nasa Macau. Cute. See? Yan o. Wow. May activity rin. Ganda oh. Tapos yan, mag-start tayo dito sa Jollibee. Paikot yan, ang haba niyan. So may Jollibee, may Tasty Panda, then, man. Wow, ganda. So yan, mahaba yan guys. Fridays, tapos tuloy-tuloy yan. Yun, hanggang dun sa dulo, puro restaurants. Grabe, ang lawak niya. Look at that. Grabe, ang lawak. Woohoo! Para ka nasa ibang bansa, guys.